don't shake. What did mommy say? If you can't feed her, okay?
Watch your feet.
Don't shake it.
Trying to bracelet.